Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, February 9th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory here, coming off of a pretty impressive move yesterday, back to the upside after we had a bit of a choppy start to the day. A lot of volatility remains, though, around what's to come as far as the Fed is concerned, as far as what is going to happen with interest rates going forward. Again, keep in mind we get CPI coming up next week. That's going to be the next major bar as far as the inflation fight is concerned. Here's how the market's looking so far this morning. Everything back in positive territory once again, being led by tech, which is a little bit different than we've seen throughout the beginning of the week anyways. Yeah, it was a red bar yesterday for the S&P, same story for the Qs. If we look at the NASDAQ, back to the downside, but we're still holding on to this nice uptrend and the top end of the range for both. All about Disney this morning, back to the upside on a complete restructuring plan announced by Bob Iger, back at the helm once again for Disney. Good report top and bottom for Disney, beating expectations. They lost fewer Disney Plus subscribers as well than they had forecast. So nice look up significantly, about 8% at the top anyways for Disney. In the pre-market, Tesla quietly just grinding its way to the upside still. We got through 200 yesterday. Where will we go today? Up about 6% on the week. There was this note yesterday, that 2021 Texas crash, a probe finding no fault to blame for autopilot in that case. Yeah, firm downside, big time. Not much of a surprise there, maybe. Job cuts to come, but miss right across the board for a firm. Robinhood trading higher here this morning, but really only on this. They approved a plan to buy back the shares from Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX that he had purchased. So good luck with that, Robinhood. Netflix back on watch as well. So strong yesterday on those plans that came out on password sharing and some pricing that came out on password sharing as well. So we'll see if Netflix can extend this recent rally coming up this morning as well. Yeah, Google's mistake yesterday, Google's 8% slide was initially a benefit for Microsoft. We end the day basically where we started or where we ended the prior session, back to the upside this morning, though, for Microsoft. We'll have a look at all big tech. New deal for Amazon and AWS specifically, with S&P Global announced this morning. And of course, oh yeah, the crumbling of Bed Bath & Beyond continues as well. It is actually higher here in the pre-market, though. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code. We're coming up at 8:30 this morning. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.